There's Charlie. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Here it goes. Look, them cats over there. There's like, there's a whole pack of them now. I think when my neighbor moved in, they got out of control, but I'm not trying to blame my neighbor. It's just I think that's where they came from. But my cat over there, they didn't end up hanging out with them, and that's about it. I'm telling you, this like was nice, man. I'm so glad I changed what I had to change. They were smooth, man, real smooth. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm kind of scared driving this bike because it's fast now. Whenever I bought it, before I did all the stuff to it, it ran, but I mean it was kind of like bogged down and had a little bit of trouble with here and there. But after I changed everything and did everything, you could feel it. Whenever you push on the gas, like you could feel it, like you could feel the pressure. I don't know what you want to call it, the pressure, the pull, the force, yeah, force. You can feel the force just pulling your head. So I'm just driving kind of slow and keeping the grip of the bike. And then right now my signal lights, they kind of don't work. I need to fix that. I wonder if it makes a difference with the visor up or down. I think it does, because I can hear the difference between the sound whenever I have my helmet down and when my visor down and when I have my visor up. I'm just talking a lot, just like me to feel. He's a cool guy. He's a cool guy. Just like me, we're both cool guys. We deserve a sticker. All right. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive to my mom's house and record it. Just see how everything goes. I think I'm gonna turn my other light on. My R6, like that's how they're built, to have one light, and then you gotta flick the other one to turn both lights on. So it kind of makes it look like you have a bulk headlight, but you don't. Yeah, I try to avoid this road as much as possible whenever I leave my house. I try going the other way. Oh, here goes my escape. Here goes my escape. Alright, here we go! It's kind of weird. See my signal light? They don't want to turn right. I'm pressing it. But they don't want to show. I need to fix that, because I don't like that. I don't like driving without signal lights. Making short turns like that without signal light. That's why right now I'm on paranoid that I want my signal lights to work. Look at all those lights. That's a good job they're doing. It's pretty cool. We got this is our city pond over there. It's called Green Acres. One time when I went fishing over there, I was playing in the dirt because I was like 13 years old. I caught a lash. Ooh, look at that bike. I'm gonna look like a cool guy. It's weird. When that guy first started riding motorcycles, I didn't know that was a thing, but when you ride a motorcycle, and you drive by another motorcycle, like, y'all hit at each other. See, my single light really started to work. But yeah, I didn't know it was a thing when you got right past the motorcycle. They ran at you, and they got it, they were always like waiting at me. I was like, until I finally caught them, I was like, oh, it's a motorcycle thing. Okay. So here, I live in Portland, like, this is probably our busiest street right here, it's called Fifth Street, and it goes from north to south. See right here, this is see, I went here today. I pulled up some billboards over there. Oh my goodness, these bikes look so good. So good. I'm still kind of uncomfortable driving my bike because I'm not used to the rush. So I gotta get used to it. I know it takes weight. That's what happened to me last time when I was like completely the weight. I just gotta stay on it. Watch. I'm gonna push the circle light to the light, and it might turn on just one time. See that? And then that's it. It's supposed to stay on. And then randomly it might just turn on. See that? I keep looking down. See that? It turned on. That's kind of a delayed reaction, so if I can get used to it. That's the church. I went to this junior high. It's called Lincoln Middle School. And then right here at this corner, it's a baseball park for little kids for like 6th graders. Well, anyways, I got a friend his name's Henry. There's a guy here, Grand Slam off of me, off of that park. He's here, Grand Slam, off of me. Yeah. That guy, they've always seen him runs everywhere. I think you could have referred. I think so. I think you had a shot to refer. But I'm not going to go into it. I digress. That's what I hear a lot on YouTube videos. You will be talking and they'll be like, okay, I digress. That word is kind of captivating. Like you really mean it. Oh, I want to use that word. Because it kind of makes it sound smart. I'm gonna go by the pool that I used to work at. Let's go by the pool. See, this one turns good. I think I just need to take out the little part and clean it. I was watching it on YouTube. See, that over there, that's a pool. I worked there for maybe, for like 4 years maybe. They're building a second addition to the senior citizen, that's for seniors. So they do exercise and stuff. But that feels pretty fun. And then right here, this is our park, the Fullcrest Park. They got nice trees, they got nice gum trees. I actually want to come climb some of them, it'll be good practice. I'm gonna go down a girl that I used to be with. She lives over there. I'm just go down and she'll sit there recognize me. I haven't seen her in years. So if she sees me then it's gonna be kind of weird. Right here. Look at that cat. It's been years since I've been down this road. I always avoid it because just for like popular education team, it's right there, that house right there. I'm so thankful to God because He helped me with this bike, man. I was stressed out for a little bit with this bike, but man, I wish you could just experience what I'm experiencing right now. It was so smooth. I don't know, I can't sit here. Lord, please don't let nothing happen. Sometimes challenges are really better for you. They really are. Sometimes those rough things in life, sometimes, they're good for you. They're actually good for you. And this was one of those challenges I had where it was good for me because now I know how to work on my bike a lot more than what I didn't know because I really didn't know anything. Okay, so this is the street on my mom's. This is where I used to live. We're getting close. We're getting close to my mom's house. It's right here. I'm gonna turn on my signal light now. See if it'll turn on. Still didn't turn on. Now it turned on. It has like a 10-second delay. Hey, this dog right here, that dog, I'm not lying to you. That dog right there lives like 8 blocks away. My mom, she feeds animals around here, and she literally trained herself to walk here all the way like 8 blocks down the road. My stepdad was telling me because I seen her over there by the. You remember the place where I told you I worked? Yeah, she was around that place. Like she literally knows how to get there to here, like without a problem. Because she's waiting for my mom to feed her. Because my mom will feed her. Her name is Samantha. They think she's pregnant. Oh, I'm out of gas. Let's go get some gas. I'll come talk a little bit more about these trees. Hi, Samantha. No. I don't want to scare you. Alright. Okay, here we go. Let's go get some gasolina. Dame gasolina. That was one thing. I'm gonna confess something to you right now. That's one talent I wish I had in this life, is to know how to rap. Like to be musically gifted. So where you can just spit out stuff and then it'll make you just like, ooh, man, that's good, But I don't have that. If you really see me try, you'll be disappointed. And I don't feel like disappointing no one right now. I know what disappointment is. Believe me. I'm already getting sad thinking about it. Alright. So, anyways, I'm just trying to make sure I'm going to keep talking so that if my thing cuts out, I know when, how long, whatever. I'm just kind of getting the feel for things. We're gonna go to Chevrolet. Chevrolet has some pretty good gas, so we're gonna go there. This shit's open. Also, whenever you drive a motorcycle, okay, see my camera went out. Oh, it's still on. So, whenever you drive a motorcycle, you're not supposed to like turn with your steering wheels. You're supposed to counter lead the bike. So you kind of like push the bike away and then you lean the other way. That's how you get more of a better turn on the motorcycle. I want to take a safety class about it, but anyways, see, watch. I'm gonna counter lean. So I have the bike down and then I'm leaning to the right. That's how you turn. What's going on over here? What is going on over here? Let's go see. I'm gonna read that sign like if I was a Mexican. Road work ahead. I'll do that about it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn right. See? Oh, I need to fix the signal light. I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. Oh yeah. I got a job. After searching all day, I got a job. What? I think it might be cheating. So I'm not really going to count this as a job that I got. Ooh, look at that day. It looks like an owl. You can't really see it now. Those are birds up there. They kind of look weird. Ooh, I would love to trim that tree right there. Ooh, I would love to. But it's dead. It needs to burn. It needs to burn. Right. But anyways, my mom, she's gonna let me trim her walnut tree. So I'm gonna trim her walnut tree. It's good practice. It's good practice. Right now, I'm just hungry just to get my hands on some trees. That's it, really. I mean, I have my own job. I make my own money, so I'm not really like paying for money. But I never have a problem making more money. I'll tell you that much. I'll never have a problem making more money. But right now, I kind of want to just learn how to. Oh shoot! I forgot I was gonna go get gas. I'm gonna get talking. I was gonna go say, let me go get gas, and I'll come take you. I'll come take you to one of. I almost ran out of gas. I've done that before. I've done that before. Where I almost ran out of gas in between towns because I forgot to put it in. And then the other day, I'm not lying to you. The other day, I was on my way to work and I was running kind of late, but I needed gas, so I stopped at the store and put in gas. And then for some reason my mind went somewhere else, and when I got about not 3/4, I want to say maybe like 7/8 there to the house, to my work. About 7/8 there to work, I noticed that I forgot to put gasoline. And I was just like, dang. I was like, what do I do? I was like, we got gas at work, so I was just like, oh, I'll put some gas from work and then I'll put the tank and pay it back up and pay it back. But I forgot. When I took off work, I forgot to do that too. Oh my gosh, man, I have a problem with forgetfulness. And I'll tell you why. One of the reasons why is because I don't need enough omega. It's the one that's in fish. It's the one that's in fish. That one, I'm kind of worried. That has to do with that. So I need to eat more fish. I was eating more fish, and I still have my news, but I really don't like seafood. Okay, we're getting close. I need to go left. Left? Ooh, yeah, actually, I want to take that one down. I'll take that one down. Say I will. Okay. Ah, dang it, wrong turn. Dang it. Wrong turn. I'm gonna just bust a. I don't want to hit that. I'm gonna just bust a U right here. Hopefully I can make it. This is where experience comes in. Yes. I made it. I almost broke out talking in Spanish. I gotta realize that some of you guys are not Spanish speakers. Alright. Sorry, I got out of control. Alright, one more block. I seen the sign. Uh-oh. Alright, there it goes. You're gonna be right. See that? It's over there. See that? I'm not gonna go right yet. Let me show you. Where I was at today, where I put a sign at. See, right here. Here's the one of the blueberries I came to put right here. This one. Uh-oh. Oh, that was scary. I don't want to do that again. I don't like driving in alleys. Not on a motorcycle because it's sketchy. Ooh, should I try to make it? Let's see. If there's no wires, I'll make it. Listen. Alright. Yes! Oh, look at this big truck. Should I park next to it and look at him like if I was a gangster? Or should I just go to the other gas? I'll just come over here because I don't want no problems. I'm not a problem child. I was, but not anymore. Alright, now we're done. Okay, made it.
Okay, just got done putting in gas. Now we're gonna go to the walnut tree I was talking about earlier.
Time to get it. Time to get it. Time to get it. I don't know why, but I feel more talkative when I have this helmet on. I don't know what it does, but it gives me some sort of power. Okay, make sure it's shut off good. Okay, here it goes. Uh-oh, hit my camera. I gotta figure out how to make sure the camera's level. All right, and then look at all the keys I have. I got a lot of keys, huh? Oh, let me pick up my pants. I don't like wearing loose pants when I drive my motorcycle. All right, hopefully everything's still good. Okay, now we got gas, and we're recording. We're off. Okay, we're gonna go check out that walnut tree. I wonder if you can even see at night on this camera. I don't know, we're about to find out. There's a lot of stuff we're finding out. Ooh, look at all those kids. I'm gonna just yank it. I'm gonna yank it in front of them. Man, if I was a kid, I'd be like, yes! I gotta be careful how I drive because I'm still a beginner, so I'm not okay. But those kids probably thought, oh man, that guy, he knows his stuff. So, I'm still learning. So if you keep going down this road, you'll make it into a city park, our city park. It's called Hillcrest. You know what? Why don't I just show you? Why don't I just go there and just show you? We got a zoo in there. We got soccer fields. I showed you the pool that I ripped at. We got a pool in there. I showed you the baseball field where my friend hit a grand slam off of me. And then we got softball fields. So this whole block, this whole entire section, it covers about, I would say like 5 to 8 acres if I had to guess. I don't know that much. But anyways, see that? Hillcrest, oh, you can't really read it. But we're about to go in there. Man, I bet those kids, we all got excited because I rubbed it all out. Alright. See that? All these nice trees, I want to come climb some. This is a splash pad right here. There used to be a pool, but it got shut down. Now they turned it into a splash pad. And then where I'm pointing my finger, that's where the zoo's at. Right here, you can just eat and have a good time. Right here, there's a dog park. You can take your dogs over here. I've taken my dogs a couple times, but I kind of don't like putting them in dog park. I like walking them around the whole park. But anyways, okay, so we're gonna go forward, and now we're getting to the zoo area. Right here. So all that's soccer field and just open field, and then that's the pool I used to work at. And then right here, the zoo. I've worked at the zoo a couple of times. And then right here, there's a parking space. So, you know, when there's tournaments and stuff or games going on, you can this is what I like about the motorcycle. I don't have to drive all around. I don't have to keep going up and down. I can just go straight through. I don't know if it's breaking the law, but if it is, I'm breaking the law. We're breaking the law. I don't know if you heard that song before. But, okay, so anyways, I'm just waiting for this car. I don't know what he's going to do. Alright. So, I want to go fast right here and practice my turns. Yes. Okay. Alright, so see right here's the pond. Over here's the pond. Over here's the pond. There's ducks. I used to come feed some ducks. I bet they get fed all the time, little brats. They got a maid. They don't got to pay no rent. Shh. No. They no money for food. They just sit all day and just let people bring them food and not eat. How you feel like that? Anyways. So this is the other half of the park. So we're gonna go see this walnut tree. Okay. Alright. We'll go. Look at that pretty cool. This is the firehouse right here. And that's the Good Old McDonald's. Also, my bad, McDonald's. Alright, should I go? Nah, I'm not gonna play. I'm not gonna play with that. Go and start. Should I go after that car? Yeah, I'll go. So, the jigsaw I had, the funny holder, I let my brother use it, and he was following this truck, according to him, according to what he said. He was driving down this road, and the softball tournament was going on, and a truck was carrying a load of branches. How ironic. Anyway, a branch fell out from the back cabin, from the back of the truck, and it landed on the road. And my brother, he tried to dodge it. like this, and for some reason he didn't dodge it right, or he hit a piece of wood, and he totaled my bike. But thank God he was alright. That's what matters. This is okay. I just really got a bike, and this is where I got for the best time off it. I won't be let me go. Alright, now we're getting close. See, we're going over there. Alright, got my signal light on. We're getting close. We're getting close to the walnut tree. See, this is where I'm gonna come. At this walnut tree. Watch. Hopefully you can see it with the light. Damn, my sister has almost the same as that car. See that walnut tree? Right there. That one. That's the walnut tree I'm gonna come prune, and hopefully I can do a good job. Hopefully I can learn a few things. I got on Facebook and I asked him to give me some tips, so I still gotta read them. Alright, now we're gonna go home. I'm gonna go home and just go through the video and just see if I can put it all together. It's kind of time consuming, a lot of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and document my adventure today. Call it marketing tactics or something. I don't know. Okay. What I'm interested in doing is finding young trees. That's really what I want. I want young trees, and I want like small trees, so I can learn how to like prune them. You know, like I want the bushy trees. I want the big trees that has a lot of branches and stuff. Cause those are, you know, like I don't know. You just gotta. It's like clean up your thinking when it comes to trimming some trees. There's some trees that you can trim them right away easy, but there's some trees that are kind of difficult. That's why I'm looking for some intermediate trees, you know, not hard trees. But shoot, if they call me for a hard tree, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'll try and get as much information about it, and go at it. But if it's like if it's really, really, really hard job, I'll turn it down. You know, I'll have to refer someone, but that's standard. You gotta refer other artists. You know, that's one of the standards for international society. They love cooking, and I respect all the work they've done. So I'm gonna just go behind them and follow their advice. Anyways, I'm gonna go straight right here. We're on 10th Street. So I'm on the other side of town. I live on the other side of town. If you get so if you're on the quadrant northeast, southwest, I'm pretty much on the east, southeast. I'm on the southeast side, and I need to go to the northwest side. Kind of give you a little idea where I'm at. I wonder if I should turn my signal light on. There's some massage parlors here, and I remember my friend at work said that. Well, I don't really want to get into that. I should get into it. Not my conversation to have with the people. Alright, I'm gonna put out something like that. I'm on 37, now I'm on I used to work at Domino's. When I first started doing treatment, that's where I worked. Domino's. I was working 3 jobs. And I just bought a house, and I wasn't getting that much overtime for the job, so I had to think outside the box. I helped me out. I had to get God. I helped me out. But not that guy. The king helped me out. I learned how to help me out during that time, man. It was one of those learning experiences that you'll never forget. There's times when I have money for my like truck payment and my house payment. He would come through. It would be weird how he would come through right at the last minute. He would come through with some money. Okay. I'm gonna turn on my signal light. Yes, I'm glad this signal light works. I think I'm gonna work on my signal light tomorrow because I do not like riding without my signal lights. You think I can make it? You think I can make it? Yeah, I can make it. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. That's what she said. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Oh yeah, let's cross it. So this street that I'm on is called 21st Street. And this is the biggest street. I use this street to my house. Alright. Still recording. We're still good. Alright. That's food that has a Chinese buffet. And that's where I get my hair cut at. The guy cut my hair pretty good. I'm gonna go back to that barbershop. And then right here, there's been several businesses. But there's a guy who got out of prison, and he started coming up real quick, man, real quick. And he ended up getting in trouble with the law and went back to prison and know the rest. And then bingo, I'm not really a bingo player. I'm not really a bingo player. Because it's rigged, man. It's rigged. It's rigged. Bingo's rigged. I don't like gambling or anything like that. Because you're not going to win. I mean, I don't want to get into that. I don't want to get into that. Yeah, I like bingo. I'll play some bingo. I'll play some bingo. Anyway, it's the high school? Should I take you through high school? Yeah, I'm gonna take you through high school. Man, I have some memories of high school, man. I have some ups and downs, but I would say overall, did I have more ups and more downs in high school? I would say I had more downs. I had more downs at the high school, but I want to say in the end I had more ups. This is where I got to know God right here. This is where I got to know who Jesus is during high school. I always had an idea of Jesus is. You know, I was always accepting of him, but I never really like let him in. I never really like opened the door like my inner door to him until I got to high school. It was I think it was like 10th grade or 11th grade. That was when I really let him in, and so because of that I had to say up. But if it wasn't for that, I would say nothing but downs, man. That's a lot of rough things. I still didn't know how to handle life. I still didn't know like how to make proper decisions. But you know, you live and you grow and you live and you become better. Well, you should become better. If you're not becoming better, something's going on. Something's going on within you. You gotta kind of ask yourself, like, what's going on? Oh, let me turn off all my. There's like a basketball game or something going on. And look, basketball, what is it? January, yeah, it's basketball. But anyways, all those are the school buildings right there, and that's the football field, and that's the gym. Look at all these cars. Look at all these cars. Yeah, my friend Emily, the guy that I told you that hit the ball stand up me, he could park legally. I remember he said that's where he learned how to park. His truck is here because he's a real good driver. That guy was good at everything, man. That guy, you know who that guy reminds me of? He reminds me of King David. That's who he reminds me of. He's good at anything. Anything he applies himself, he's the best. And it's kind of frustrating sometimes because you want to be better than him, and no matter how hard you try, he's gonna be better than you. No matter how hard. No matter how hard. Man, any sport. I bet you if you got into soccer like I was in soccer, I bet you that guy would just dominate. Right. Anyways, so that's the high school. I put Takamaki in there, and now I'm gonna get on the street that I need to turn on to go to my house, which is Cameo. I'm gonna turn on Cameo. Okay, close the step. Just press start sign it there. That's where I'm gonna turn. Oh! There we go. Finally turned on. I pushed my signal a little bit early, so kind of the timing. Oh, who's that guy? Hopefully he don't chase after me. Yeah, no, because I'm on a motorcycle. I'll take off. I'll take off really early. Oh, to be really? Nah, I don't know how to get really. I don't know how to get really. Hey, one time when I was still driving my first bike, it was a 250. I was driving down the highway because I would drive 30 minutes to work to college. Oh my goodness, dude, this guy was always going 60 over here, and he passed by me. We're driving opposite of each other, and this guy was really fucking rude, right? Doing that 60, I was like, what the hell? That bike had to be all one, or 1,000, it had to be. No less than 1,000, because 600 can't do that. Oh, that's all I'm saying. 600 can't do it. And if you can do it to 600, my hat's off to you. I consider you an expert at driving motorcycles. Alright, so this is 21st Street, the street I was just on, and man, I'm going to my house. There we go, signal lights on. Making that turn. Alright, making my way home. Making my way downtown. Walking. I don't know the rest of the song. I just know that little part. Making my way downtown. That's it. That's all I know. If I knew, trust me, if I knew the lyrics, I would have sang it. I would have just flat out right now just Just got down with it. But that's all I know. I'm making my way downtown. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Alright, so I'm getting closer to my house. I'm gonna take a look right here. Ooh, I bet you guys gonna be in your head. Any of y'all listening to this is going to be stuck in your head for the rest of the day. I hope for the next 3 days and 47 hours and 16 seconds that song is stuck in your head. Uh-oh, there's a car behind me. Uh-oh. Anyways, yeah. Well, that finishes my work here. My work is done for the day. I'm going to go ahead and put on my motorcycle. And call it a night. Thank God for keeping me safe. Always got to remember him every time, everywhere, any second, any place. Yeah, I'm supposed to flow. See, can't flow. So I go this way. This is my neighbor's house, and that's a cop bike. You got a cop bike. It has lights and everything. Like you can put people over if you wanted to. But I don't think he's gonna do that because that's breaking the law. Breaking the law. Alright, this is how I get into my house, right here. See that little thing I have? I still gotta get some more stuff from my bike, but I locked it right there. That's my little jiggling thing that I did to kind of lock my bike, just until I get some better security. And then I got a cover for it too, so that people won't be checking out my Bluey. You know what? That's the name of my motorcycle. I'm gonna call it Bluey. 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 We'll get my dogs. I'm sure they wanna hang out with me. I'm trying to get it right. Oh. Alright. That's it.